So this is the new Smart Peak Flow device, which you probably got for your asthma. Let's unpack it and see what's in the package. It says asthma control in your pocket, some instructions, which we'll get to in a moment, and Google Play and App Store where you can download the app, which we'll have a look at in a sec. But first, let's have a look at the box and what we got here. That is the device with an audio jack, which plugs in your phone. So let me get a phone, try it and see how it works. Yep, it goes in. That's easy. What else do we have in the box? A user manual, that's great, a mouthpiece, so this goes onto the device like that, that's where you blow into. And finally, a carry sack. So when you're not using the device, you can just put it in your sack and carry it that way. So manual, the box, carry sack, mouthpiece and the device. Let me just get it out of the carry sack so you can take another look before we get into the app. So